Hey guys, it is Keisha, and I just wanted to show you guys really quickly my items for my fall decor. So I'm set up right now in my garage. This is an old washer and dryer set that we are actually going to donate, but I've just put everything over here just as a workbench for the moment. So let me just run through really quickly what I am thinking. Our colors for this fall season are going to be tan, off-white, cream colors, a nice burnt orange, dark orange color, and navy. So here is a wreath ring for a DIY. I got this from Dollar Tree. I love that it comes in this color because that helps with the whole theme. Then I got these set of marigold flowers, and I need to go back to Dollar Tree and get a few more because I'm not going to have enough for my wreath, but those are really pretty. And then I went to Michael's and picked up these, and they were 99 cents each. They say $1.99, but they were actually 99 cents each, which I thought was really great. So I got these. These were the only two that they had though, so that I liked. So yeah, I may have to go back and get some of those, maybe check at a different Michael's. And then I got these from Michael's as well. Sorry for the shade there, but yeah, this isn't the best lighting, but these are navy blue flowers, and I believe these were, it says $5.99, but it was 40% off all fall stuff, and this was with the fall, so it was cheaper than $5.99. I also got this from Dollar Tree, and I think it's so cute. And it looks kind of springish, but it actually is for fall. So at least I think so. So I went ahead and picked that up. And this is from the Dollar Tree Plus section. I wish I would have held on to the receipt so I could return it, because I'm thinking of painting it white, but I don't think I have enough paint to paint it white. So, and I don't want to buy more paint. So, and I noticed that Dollar Tree actually has them in white, and they have this size, and they also have a larger one. So this tray is actually going to go on the dining room table. Speaking of the dining room table, I found this table runner at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby had a 40% off all fall decor sale going on. So this is double-sided. And so yeah, it was not $21.99. If I can find the price, I'll put it on the screen because I love a good sale, especially at Hobby Lobby. So I got that. I also purchased at Hobby Lobby this little set, and this was 40% off of $11.99. And this set is just like a filler for decor, but I'm going to break this up, and some of this will go on the dining room table, and some of this will actually go on our mantle. And it is in the colors that we want. And that's pretty much it from Hobby Lobby. Oh, and these are from Hobby Lobby as well. And these were 40% off. And I got two of these. And these will go on the mantle, most likely. Along with this is from Michael's. It was 40% off. And it's still bunched up right now, but I will be spreading it out on the mantle. I got these from Dollar Tree, and these will go on the mantle as well, most likely. Then again, I might include them on the dining room table somehow. These have a lot of glitter, you guys. So I did buy some hairspray to spray on them to kind of take some of that flakiness off, because it gets everywhere. So I did want to incorporate some things that I already have in order to save money. So this is a pumpkin that I bought. I want to say I bought it from Dollar Tree a year or two ago. These little pumpkins here, I have more of these, but I didn't want to use too much glitter in the decor. But these came from Dollar Tree as well. And I have some bigger ones too, but Yeah, I've had these pumpkins for like 3 or 4 years, but they are from Dollar Tree. Also from Dollar Tree are these pumpkins. At least I believe they are. I've had these for a few years too. You have a gold one and then an orange one. Don't know exactly how I'm going to mix them in, but I'm going to. Also, this brown one, I believe it's from Dollar Tree as well. I got this pumpkin from Big Lots, and Big Lots had a decent selection of fall items. They actually had more Halloween than fall, unfortunately. But this is so soft and I just couldn't ignore it. I couldn't leave it. So I picked that up, and then I also got this item. I believe I got this from Dollar Tree. And it's just a off-white it's just an off-white porcelain pumpkin to go in the mix. Here is a pumpkin that I have had for a while. I think I got this from Dollar Tree a few years ago. I got this from, I think, Hobby Lobby or Walmart a few years ago. So that's for my last name. And so I got this from Big Lots, this candle, and it smells really good, and it has that dark blue, navy blue look to it. So that will be included. And this was $6.99. So that's a good price, and it smells really, really good. And then I got this from Dollar Tree. It's time to play football because we love watching football around the fall season. And this will go in the dining room. We have a couple of built-ins in the dining room that need to be decorated. So that will go with that. So this is what I have, you guys. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys. And this is, I believe I got this from Dollar Tree. Yeah, I've had this for about a couple of years, just haven't got around to using it. So I may include it in the wreath and I may not. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to get out of my garage right now because it is so humid in here. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you are not a subscriber, and thumbs up the video. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.